Alright, it's 9 a.m. Day 16. I'm going to call it day 16 because I took a day off yesterday. I didn't walk. I was trying to baby my feet, so I did that. Hopefully they work today. I'm going to try to walk about, I think, 12 miles. So I got a room here in Ribadesella, and got a room watching CNN, chilling out. Just had breakfast, and now I'm going to try to go walk. I think I'll do all right, but still hurting a little bit, so I'm just going to get walking slowly. I think it's going to rain today, but maybe, hopefully, not until later. All right, I'm going to go check out. Okay, just checked out of the hotel. Walking out of Ribadesella down the path. No matter what I do, my foot is killing. I'm just going to have to try to ignore it. Just ignore the pain. Just walk on it. Maybe it'll get better. When that specific, super specific pain just evolves into just a generalized sort of throb, burn, ringing pain down in the whole bottom of your half, then you're all right. You can just walk. That's what I'm going to walk towards. But look how beautiful, man. Hopefully this weather stays like this, doesn't rain on me. These walking days are perfect when it's cloudy and cool, barely breezy. It's so perfect to walk. I mean, look at it. So my plan is to try to go about 12 miles today. I want to go farther, but I don't think I can. Look at that bridge, man. It's beautiful. I took an entire day off yesterday. My feet felt good, but I put the boots on a walk. It hurts, so we shall see. And then I'll quit. I just quit belly aching. I will talk no longer about my foot blister and pain. I'll just walk. Video. I'm sure people would rather look at the towns and the terrain and hear about the places external instead of internal. So that's what I'll do. Look at that bridge. It's beautiful. Had a nice dinner last night with Irma and Mike. It turns out he's a ex-football, soccer, local star, like not the National League, but like the one below it. So he's a football fanatic, so we watched some soccer last night. And he was glued to it. So it was a good dinner. Maybe I will see them again, maybe I won't. That's the beauty of this Camino. You meet people, you might spend a whole bunch of every day for a week. You might see them, or have dinner or whatever, or skip a few days, and you may never see them again. Or you might see them a day or two or a week. It's very cool. All right. Came up out of the woods over the mountain. Some guy's burning his field right there. Oh, it's crackling, smells good. And then I came over this ridge, and I'm gonna come down here and go to Playa La Vega. I'm about 3.5 miles into the day. Walking up was good. My foot doesn't hurt one bit walking up. It pulls traction on my toe or something. But now I gotta go down, so I'll go slow. cool village down here. Look at that town all the way across the bay there. I'm not sure if that's the town by Colunga, something of that sort. All right. Good day so far. Let's see how it goes. There are days like this when I just walk into a village like this or some other scene where I'm just struck just how beautiful, relaxing, inviting this is. Right when I start to not take for granted, but these days become just kind of normalized walking in places like this, I come around a corner and I think, oh my God, like this is why I'm doing this. Places like this, walk through, there's nobody here, not that you can see, I'm by myself. Just me and the birds chirping. These flowers. And the black cat. Meow. I don't know how long it goes. I'm trying to film to the end, but it might not be an end. Close. Okay, for a little perspective, I walked right down through that valley, over that hill, down that valley, through that village, and popped out right there. Came down this street, and oh man, I thought I could see the ocean. I just came down a little bit. I guess I can't see it. I could see it a second ago. I'm going right over here to El Mar, to the sea. There's a bunch of these structures. Are they like the things in Galicia, where you store grain? I don't know. Good question. Let's find out. So peaceful here. It's like the air is just still. It's quiet. There's the sea. There's the ocean. And going to continue westward. Maybe there's a town up here. Maybe not. All right, I'm almost at 7 miles. Been raining. Been going down some roads, like on the road itself, which is a little crappy. No place to walk. There's traffic, but popped over the mountain. Come down here, and it's beautiful. Up top was just this lush trail of green, kind of like this, but no mud at all, just completely grass filled. The raindrops on the leaves. Really nice. Not raining too much now, just a little bit. Can't complain. It's pretty perfect. Seven and a half miles. Came over that hill by that cow and those people. Came down this path, coming along the coast, along this beach. It's raining on me pretty good now. Coming up here. It's this town right up there. I think it's Las Islas. Las Islas. In La Playa. Not a very good beach day. It's raining. All right, got to get up in there. I'm soaked like a wet dog. Been out in the rain. Now I'm having coffee. I'm not leaving here until it dries up. All right, it stopped raining. So I got up out of that restaurant, got walking. I'm leaving La Isla. Had the best ensalada mixta that I've had in a spell. And now I'm walking to Colunga, I think it is. And it rained a little bit more on me. Look at those misty mountains, man. I am on the road right here, but it's okay. It's got a sidewalk. I think the path might cut inland, but I think it might be muddy, so maybe I'll just stay on the sidewalk. It's like 3 kilometers. It was pouring rain, so I booked a place, and then I thought, man, if it clears up, that's only like 12 miles or so. I could keep on trucking. Feet went numb, could keep walking, but I will pull back, get in there, and chill. It's a beautiful day. So I did turn off the road down there because because it sucks walking on the road, even though there was a sidewalk. So I looked up here to the Camino. It wasn't a muddy path, it's paved like this, so cut through these beautiful villages over there and through the fields. So now I'm almost to the town I'm staying in. I'm always second guessing myself because it's only like 2 or 2:30. And that turns out it's not raining. It's a perfect day to walk. But the next, there's some little towns ahead, but the next one with a place to stay is actually like 6 miles. So I could do it. I could walk on, but I don't think I want to do an 18-mile day because my dogs, I mean, they feel good when I'm walking, but as soon as I stop, there's somebody up there. As soon as I stop and then I just try to walk again, oh my God, I can hardly stand them. So it's all right. It's funny because at home, if I did a 12-mile hike, I think, oh man, I went on a long hike. Here, 12-mile day, I feel like a failure. I feel like, man, that was a super easy, short day. All about mindset. What's up here? I don't know. Some eucalyptus trees, that's what. Alright, the sun is out. This is Colunga. It's beautiful. Look at these houses. Old and new, but it's green and lush. Turned into a pretty spectacular day. That wall. The walls in Spain are incredible, man. They're old. Kind of history they have. You don't really know how old, because a lot of even the new construction, they adhere to the kind of the original theme. And well, not these big ugly apartment buildings, but a lot of houses you see are these stone houses, and thank goodness they stick to it. Not here, this must be the funky downtown with the bizarre siglo, eh? Check it out, ese. There's the Alimerca. Oh, the grocery. Alimerca. Newer places, modern places, green places. What kind of hotel is this here? It looks cool. This might be the place I was trying to book was full. Oh, I think it is. Yeah, that was full. Got excellent reviews. Okay, let me try to not get smashed up against the wall up on here. You never know with these drivers. Main's drag. Look at that view, pretty nice. Church tower, palm trees. Hotel Las Vegas. I'm telling you, man, there ain't nothing not to like about Spain. Northern Spain, Asturias seems cool. Thus far, always got some construction going down, that's for sure. Don't hit me, Mercedes. La Esquina. We'll have to come down to La Esquina for a tortilla. Oh, check it out. Oh, there's the Mini Mouse. All right, let me go find this hotel. As soon as I said that, I saw that hotel right in front of me. Hotel Villa de Colunga. That's it. Right here. In the heart of town. Entrada aquí. Okay.